If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, then let's try to solve these 3 questions. Okay, in question number 1 it is asked 0 to 2 box x square dx. So you have to be very careful with box. There are lots of questions based on box. So this is very important. You can see there are lots of questions based on box. So be very careful with this one. So I think you have gone through this, what is box function, that is greatest integer function. So this one, so you have to see, because box x was a staircase function, it was something like this. For any value between 0 to 1 your output is always 0, any value between 1 to 2 your output is always 1. So that was the function. So that's why you have to check what will be the output for this between 0 to 2. So for 0 to 2 there will be two outputs, one will be 0, one will be 1. So it will be 0 and it is x square, so whatever you give input, that square, so that means it is your input, you can go up to, your output is 2. If you are putting 2, that means you can go up to 2 square, that means you can go up to 4 also, because if you put 2, that means you are going, so there will be not 2, there will be 4 output, 1 2 3 4. So from 0 to 1, so what will be the 0 to 1? If you put x equal to 0 to 1, then your output is 0, so it is 0 into dx plus, you know the output of box, this function. From 1 to next this position means if you put x equal to root 2, then in the box it will come 2, root 2 square 2. So from 1 to root 2, if you put if you put 1, then it is 1, if you put root 2, then it is 2, you are in between these two, so your answer is 1, so it will be 1 into dx. Next, if you go from root 2 to these positions, is this is 3, this is 4. So this is actually x equal to root 3. If you put x equal to root 3, then it will be box 3. So that in that case your output will be 2 only. Plus then root 3 to this one, output is 4. That means your x is 2. That's why it is 2 square is 4. So from here to your output will be 3. So 3 into dx. So if you integrate this one, I think it is easy. It is 0. It will be root 2 minus 1. It will be plus 2 into root 3 minus root 2 and plus 3 into 2 minus root. So ultimately you will see 6 minus 1 5 minus root 3 minus root 2. 2 root 3 3 root 3 root 3 2 root 2 root 2, then it will be minus root 2. That is your option D. Next, if you come to question number 2, the value of minus pi to pi cos square x by 1 plus a to the power x dx, where a is greater than 0. So this one, if you see, if you put a equal to the power minus x, then what will happen? 1 a to the power x will come, and there, if you a to the, what is a to the power minus? It is 1 by a to the power x. So in that case, if you take LCM, a to the power x will go up, and denominator it will be 1 by 1 plus a to the power x. So that idea we will use. So to introduce x0 x equal to minus x, what we can use? You can apply that Queen rule. You remember that Queen rule? A to b fx dx was a to b f a plus b minus x dx. So that's what we will be doing. Here a is minus pi, so pi minus pi 0, so 0 minus x. So that means you will be putting x equal to minus x. So if you put instead of same property here, so it will be instead of x it will be minus x, so cos square plus x minus x both will be same, or let me write it here, 1 plus a to the power minus x dx. So it will look like this, your I will look like this, minus pi to pi cos square x, and this 1 by a to the power x, if you take LCM, a to the power x will go upside, and this will be of this fashion, or a to the power x plus 1, whatever, it will be a to the power x plus 1, I am writing 1 plus a to the power. So if you add these two, one this and this, so it will be 2y minus pi to pi, the LCM will be 1 plus a to the power x, you can take cos square x common, 1 plus a to the power x dx, so this will get cancelled. So instead of cos square x you can write it minus pi to pi 1 plus cos 2x dx. If you integrate it, it will be sin 2x by 2 plus x minus pi to pi, and if you put pi or minus pi it will be always 0, so ultimately it will be pi minus minus pi, second part will come, this will be always 0, so that will be 1 half will be there, because 2 cos square x this one, so half is there, so it will be pi, this is 2y, so I will be equal to pi by 2, that is your option C. Now if you come to question number 3, minus 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2 x plus pi cube cos square x plus 3 pi dx is equal to. Whenever trigonometry is there and this type of limit is there, we always tempted to apply either king rule or queen rule. because if you add these two, this is minus 3 pi by 2, minus 270 and then minus 90, so it will be minus 360. So there is a temptation of this one, because then these and these will be cancelled and we will get something. So let us try in that way. So minus 3 pi by 2. So what is a plus b minus x? Because we are applying same Q.1 rule again. So it will be minus 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x. So it will be minus 2 pi minus x. So we are applying this one. Instead of x, we will be doing this way. Instead of x, it is a plus b minus x. So instead of x, we will be doing this one. So minus, so let me write it I. So I will be equal to minus 3 pi by 2 by minus pi by 2. Instead of x, it is minus 2 pi minus x plus pi whole cube plus cos square. Instead of x, it is minus 2 pi minus pi plus 3 pi dx. So it will be I is equal to minus 3 pi. So ultimately you will get it this one. Cos pi minus theta is cos theta. Cos pi minus x, it is actually minus cos x, but square is there, so that will make it plus. Now if you add these two, again these and these will get cancelled. And what is cos square x plus 3 pi? Cos 3 pi plus x. 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. 3 pi plus x, that is minus cos square x. So again minus and plus square is there, so it will be simply cos square x plus this cos square x. If you are adding these two, so it will be 2 cos square x dx. So again you can apply this 2 cos square is same whatever I have used. Just now we have used this one 1 plus cos 2 theta. If you integrate it, it will be x plus sin 2x by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So if we apply first, instead of x, it is minus pi by 2 plus sin pi. If you apply pi by 2, it will be 0. Sin pi is 0 minus this. If we apply this one, instead of x, it is minus 3 pi by 2. Again if you apply 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to cancel 3 pi, that is also 0. Whatever, plus minus I don't know, but 0 is 0. So it will be 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, that is pi. Therefore your I will be equal to pi by 2. So that is your option B. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.